Ever wondered how startups grow so fast? How they go from 0 to 100 in the blink of an eye? Well, there's a secret weapon they're using, and it's known as growth hacking. Growth hacking isn't your traditional marketing strategy. It's a mindset, a unique approach that focuses on growth, and more growth. It's about being creative, analytical, and opportunistic all at once, finding the quickest and most effective ways to increase a company's customer base. It's about testing, learning, and adapting at a rapid pace. Imagine a toolbox. Now, instead of nails and hammers, it's filled with strategies like viral marketing, data-driven decisions, and product market fit. Companies like Facebook, Dropbox, and Airbnb, they've all used these tools to achieve exponential growth. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into this world of growth hacking. Strategy 1. Achieving product market fit. Let's dive into this intriguing concept. Product market fit is a simple yet profound idea. It's when a company's product satisfies a specific need in the market. And why is it crucial? Well, it's the foundation for growth. Without it, all the marketing strategies in the world won't save your business. Take Airbnb as an example. When they started, they identified a clear need: affordable accommodations with a local feel. They offered a unique solution, letting people rent out their own homes. The market responded positively, and voila, they achieved product market fit. You see, when your product is a perfect fit for the market, it's like a key turning in a lock. Everything just clicks into place. Customers want your product, they use it, love it, and tell others about it. And that, my friends, is how organic growth happens. So, the first step towards rapid growth is ensuring your product fits the market's needs. Scene script. Strategy 2. Viral marketing. Viral marketing is essentially word of mouth on steroids. It's about creating content or campaigns that are so compelling, so intriguing, that people can't help but share them with their networks. Viral marketing taps into the power of social media and online communities to spread your message like a virus, hence the name. Consider the example of Dropbox. They offered extra storage space to users who referred their friends. This simple incentive turned their existing users into powerful marketers, rapidly increasing their user base without the need for traditional advertising. But it's not just about offering incentives. It's about creating a message that resonates, something that people will want to share because it's funny or emotional or surprising. Viral marketing isn't a guaranteed success, but when it works, it can work phenomenally well. It can turn a small startup into a household name seemingly overnight. Viral marketing can propel your startup into the limelight, catalyzing rapid growth. Scene script. Strategy 3. Developing a scalable and repeatable sales process. In the world of business, growth is king, and one of the most effective ways to achieve growth is by developing a scalable and repeatable sales process. But what exactly does that mean? Well, a scalable sales process is one that can grow and adapt with your business. It's not static, it evolves. It's a process that works just as well when you're selling to 10 customers as when you're selling to 10,000. Now let's talk about repeatability. A repeatable sales process is one that can be replicated time and time again across different teams and even different products with consistent success. It's about creating a blueprint for success that can be followed like a recipe. So why is it important to have this type of sales process? For starters, it allows for predictability and efficiency. When you have a process that's been tested and proven, you know what works and what doesn't. This reduces the need for guesswork and allows your team to focus on what they do best: selling. Creating a scalable and repeatable sales process is not an overnight task. It requires careful planning, implementation, testing, and refinement. It's about understanding your customer's journey, from the moment they first hear about your product to the moment they make a purchase. It's about breaking down that journey into stages and identifying the actions that move a customer from one stage to the next. One company that has mastered this strategy is Salesforce. They've created a sales process that's both scalable and repeatable, allowing them to grow from a small startup to a multinational corporation. Their secret? They understand their customers' needs and have developed a process that guides these customers through the buying journey, using personalized communication and relationship-building tactics at each stage. So, if you're looking to supercharge your growth, consider developing a scalable and repeatable sales process. It might take time and effort, but the results can be truly transformative. Remember, a well-defined sales process can significantly boost your growth rate. Strategy 4: partnership and collaboration. In the world of growth hacking, partnerships and collaborations can be powerful tools. They offer a chance to share resources, reach new audiences, and boost credibility. Let's use Spotify and Facebook as an example. When Spotify was still a fledgling music platform, they formed a partnership with Facebook. This collaboration allowed Spotify users to share their playlists directly on their Facebook timelines. The result? A massive increase in Spotify's user base and visibility. But partnerships aren't just about increasing user numbers. They can also help businesses tap into new markets. For instance, Spotify's collaboration with Facebook allowed it to gain a foothold in the social networking space, a market that was previously out of its reach. Partnerships and collaborations are not one-size-fits-all, though. It's key to find a partner that aligns with your business goals and audience. After all, a well-chosen partnership can be a game changer. Strategic partnerships can open doors to new markets and accelerate your growth. Strategy 5: making data-driven decisions. Now let's explore one of the most pivotal strategies: harnessing the power of data. In today's digital age, data is everywhere. It's in the clicks on your website, the feedback from your customers, the performance of your marketing campaigns, and so much more. When utilized correctly, this data can steer you towards smarter, more effective decisions. It allows you to understand your customers better, to pinpoint what works and what doesn't, and to continuously optimize your strategies for maximum growth. Take Netflix, for instance. This streaming giant makes extensive use of data to understand viewer preferences, and then crafts their content strategy around these insights. They don't simply guess what their audience might like, they know it, thanks to the power of data. And that's the essence of data-driven decisions. It's about replacing assumptions with facts and uncertainties with insights. Data is the new oil. Use it wisely to fuel your growth. To sum it up, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of growth hacking, exploring how it fuels the monumental success stories we often marvel at. The first strategy we delved into was the concept of product-market fit. Just like how a key perfectly fits into a lock, your product needs to satisfy the demands of a specific market segment. We looked at how Dropbox achieved this by creating a user-friendly platform that catered to the need for easy and accessible file storage and sharing. Next, we embarked on the exciting realm of viral marketing. This strategy is all about leveraging the power of social networks to increase brand awareness and promote products or services. We saw how Dollar Shave Club hit the jackpot with their humorous, relatable video campaign that went viral overnight. The third strategy we unpacked was scalable and repeatable sales processes. This strategy is the backbone of any sustainable business model. LinkedIn is a prime example, having built a scalable and repeatable model that allowed it to grow from a professional networking platform into a global giant. Our fourth stop was partnership and collaboration. By joining forces with other businesses, you can expand your reach and tap into new markets. We saw this in action with the Spotify-Facebook collaboration, which allowed Spotify to reach Facebook's vast user base and skyrocket its growth. Lastly, we discussed data-driven decisions. This strategy emphasizes the importance of using real-time data to make effective business decisions. Netflix is a shining example, using data to personalize recommendations and create original content that viewers love. These strategies are not just buzzwords or trendy concepts. They are powerful tools that, when wielded wisely, can propel startups to unimaginable heights. They are the secret ingredients behind the explosive growth of many successful companies. Now you know how startups grow so quickly. It's all about strategic growth hacking. So ready to hack your way to success?